Today we are going to learn how to script programming in DOS. Good morning class. Today we are going to see how to write scripts in DOS. Scripts are like programming. Here we can add two values, or we can ask the user to enter the values and other type of operations. Let's start with this. First of all, just open the DOS prompt. So first of all, we are going to learn how to store values in variables. So variables are what? Variables are the objects which holds the values. For example, if you want algebraically, if you want to store a is equal 10, so how in DOS it will work? That's simple. If you want to store value in a, you have to write set variable a is equal 10. If you want to display it, if you want to check the value of a, simply write echo and you have to add percentage sign in variable name. This means before and after the variable you have to add a percentage sign and then press enter. This will display the value of a. This is that simple. Here we set it, or here we store the value of a is equal 10 and display that is the value of a is 10. Similarly, you can also create the second variable, that is b is equal 20, and similarly if you want to display it, you can then simply use b percentile b and then press enter. This will, for now if you want to add the values of these two variables, what you have to do, simply it's very simple. Just take third variable, that is c is equal value of a, this is called value of a, plus the value of b, and then press enter. Now what will happen? That's simple. Here we created two variables, that is one is a, another is b. Value of a is 10, value of b is 20, and here we added two values, that is c is equal value of a plus value of b. Now echo the value of c. What will happen? See, this is 10 plus 20, but here this particular script or this particular command consider the value of a and value of b as a string value. So we have to declare this particular expression as a expression. For this, what you have to do, it's very simple. You have to use /a. /a defines this is a expression. Now write the same operation, that is 30. Now you can check echo $C, the value of c is 30. So it's very simple. In DOS you can do any type of operation, or you have any type of programming funda you can do here. So let's calculate the simple interest. Simple interest is SI is equal P into R into T divided by 100. This is a formula for calculating the simple interest. So first of all, set P is equal principal amount, that is 20,000. Set rate is equal, that is 10%. Set time is equal 12 months, and then calculate set /a, that is for expression. SI is equal P value of P. Now use value of P into value of R into value of T, that is time, and group it using brackets and divided by 100. So now here your simple interest is 24,000. So if you want to print it, echo value of SI 24,000. Now we are going to see how to store user defined values in variable. For this we are going to use /p. /p means prompt that a is equal and then enter 10. Say /p a is equal 10, that is the value of a become 10. Now you can check echo value of a, that is 10. So now we are going to create a DOS batch file to perform the programming. Now we are going to see how to add the values of two variables with the help of batch file, and where the values of a and b are going to enter by the user at runtime. So now we are going to add the values of two variables with the help of batch file, where both the values are entered by the user at runtime. So let's start with this. So first of all, open a notepad. Let's start with this. First of all, we are echoing off, echo off, then add CLS for clearing screen, then ask the user to enter the first number, that is a. For this, what you have to do, you have to use set /p. P means prompt. A is equal means it will prompt the user to enter the value of a. Similarly, the value of b, enter the second number, and second number is b. Then set /a, this means an expression, it is an expression. C is equal a plus b. Now a means the value of a and the value of b, and at last echo the value of c. So c is equal, value is c. This is c is equal, it's a string value, it will print as it is, and this is value of c, this will display the value of c. And at last echo on, echo and then save this. So first of all, it will echo off will hide the prompt, CLS clear the screen, echo enter the first number will display enter the first number on screen, set /p a is equal, this line will ask the user to enter the value, echo enter the second number will prompt the user to enter the value of second number, then this line will accept the value, then /a means that it's an expression, that c is equal percentile a and percentile b, the value of a plus value of b, then echo c, whatever the value c becomes, it will display with the help of this. This is only a string, it will display as it is on the screen, and at last echo on will unhide or on the command prompt. Now save this file, save with the sum.bat. Bat means batch file. Save it, close it, and then run. Now we are going to run this file. Because it's a batch file, what you have to do, only you have to give the name of the file, that is sum. enter the first number. That echo of hides the prompt. CLS clear the screen. Echo enter the first number. This is an output of this line. Now cursor is blinking over here because it asks the user to enter the, because here it prompt the user to enter the value of a. Say user enter 120. This means 120 is going to store within a. Then echo enter the second number, this line and output of this line, and then it prompt the user to enter the value of b, say 560. Enter. C is equal 6. That it's again it is an expression. C is equal value of a plus value of b, that is called 560 plus 120, that is 680, and it displays the line echo C is equal. C is equal prints as it is. This is C equal, and then percentile C percentile, that is the value of C. It displays, and then echo on will appears or unhide the prompt. So that's it. This is all for today. Thank you very much and keep practicing.